Woo! Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Chaser. Let's come to you live from Asia, guys. Wow, we're gonna be talking about crypto, the crazy roller coaster that's happening for crypto right now. We're gonna be talking about inflation. Inflation came out better than expected, but it had no impact on the crypto market because we're seeing huge freaking sell-off right now. So we're going to also be talking about the Dogecoin 21 share ETF has launched and gone live, so that's pretty positive. Also, we're going to be diving into what did the SEC say about the XRP crypto case, and yeah, we're just going to have a real heart-to-heart to talk about what's going on with crypto. As you guys know, fundamentally, what is going on with crypto, why we're having so much chaos, it's all because of the Trump tariffs. It's creating a lot of volatility in the markets, the broader markets, that's spilling over to the crypto markets. And until the Trump tariff wars are over, we're going to continue to see uncertainty and doubt, and we're going to see more lower price action. Some people are saying that we could see $69,000 Bitcoin before we actually that could be the new bottom before we start to pump. We could see XRP coming in at 150. We could see Dogecoin going back to 10 cents. These things are all possible, all possible, and this is all happening because of the volatility surrounding the Donald Trump administration and tariff wars. And also, right now, effectively, why did crypto dump yesterday is because of China, and the tariff war that's going on over there. But we have a new SEC chair that is a crypto positive person. We also have a new Donald Trump order that is rescinding the DeFi IRS broker classification. So that's pretty good. So let's jump into it. I'm not going to go on and on and on out there. Go back and watch all my other videos. Remember, all this is financial advice. Go down there and give a super thanks out there. And if you want to check out one of the best trading platforms out there, you can go to my link down there. Go to Blowfin, where whales are freaking made. Cheapest fees, leverage trading, no KYC. Get on there. You're going to love it. I love it. Let's get it, guys. So what's going on with the U.S. markets? Most of the U.S. markets are down again, like down. We're talking like 2% for Dow Jones, S&P 3.4%, and NASDAQ got hammered 4.31%. Another reason why crypto is down. Good news, though, inflation rate eases to 2.4 in March, lower than expected, and it's at a 4-year low, so that is pretty good. Consumer price index fell 2.4%, down from 2.8% in February, so that is good. Excluding food and energy, so-called core inflation ran at 2.8 annual rate, having increased 0.1% for the month. This was the lowest rate for core inflation since March, so that is pretty good. Inflation is going down. Overall, as you can see, the crypto market is not doing good. It's like poo-poo shmata bill. Everything is down. Fear and greed is still pretty low out there. Crucially, the total crypto market cap is down almost 2.62% at 2.55 trillion out there. So overall, we're seeing Bitcoin is down 2.45%. In the hour, it's picking up, so we might get a reversal happening hopefully by the time you watch this. Ethereum is also down 5.79%. Fun fact, Ethereum gas fees are the lowest they've ever been. Nice. XRP is also down 1.33%, and it's just at $1.99. Now, if we take a look at what's going on with the Doge at 1562, and that's down 1% out there. So overall, not looking good for XRP, not looking good for Doge. And once again, this is volatility out there. So what's going on? Ripple and SEC ask court to hold XRP case as deal nears final approval. So a new court filing reveals Ripple and SEC are racing towards a landmark settlement, signing a dramatic turn in the XRP case with massive crypto implications. So this is pretty good, guys. So Ripple and SEC request court to pause as settlement nears XRP case. Attorneys representing both U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple Labs jointly submitted a motion on April 10th at the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit, asking the court to pause the current legal proceedings as both sides work towards the settlement. The filing, which also includes Ripple executives Brad Garlinghouse and Christian Larson, follows a prolonged legal battle for XRP and comes after both parties signaled progress in negotiations that could resolve multiple levels of litigation. So this is very good. If we can finally get the final 100% equivocal, 100% that's it. It's over. It's going to be very good for XRP. And I still believe that XRP is going to go nuts, guys. So looking pretty good. I think we'll have this will come to a final closure soon for XRP. So it looks like breaking New York Stock Exchange approves 2 XRP ETFs. Good news there. More positive news. Justin Paul Atkinson officially confirmed as new SEC chair. Positive news. What else is coming in? President Trump signs resolution overturning IRS crypto rule targeting DeFi. That is positive. That is positive. What else is coming in positive-wise? We're seeing a lot of positive stuff, but we have this uncertainty and doubt because of the tariffs, which kind of suck out there. What's going on elsewhere? Looks like today's Standard Chart, OKX launched a new program allowing institutions to use crypto assets and tokenized money market funds as collateral. That is positive. New crypto exchange Hashkey receives Hong Kong approval after staking service. And they're going to offer staking service. Latest SEC to drop the suit against Helium. That's positive. So we're seeing a lot of positive stuff. New Binance has boosted its Bitcoin reserves to 590,000 Bitcoin. Wow. According to CryptoQuant, that's pretty positive out there. President Trump signed resolution to repeal IRS DeFi broker rule. Good news. Gas prices for Ethereum, the lowest ever. Talked about that. President Trump proclaims consumer price actually dropped. This is there is very little inflation. Good. So overall, it looks like Vietnam and America come to the table over tariffs. So pretty positive news out there. So I'm pretty positive. Looks like XRP appears to be retesting its breakout zone before the trend continues out there. So hopefully we'll get an uptrend, but don't expect too much, guys. Don't expect too much. Guys, don't forget I've officially partnered with Blowfin. Go out there and go down, check out the link, guys. Cheapest fees, and I think there's some giveaways and stuff like that happening. So right now, DXY has dumped like crazy, so that is positive. Hopefully this will help the crypto go up. Yeah. What can I say? Bitcoin is at 80,290, and it's just going to be trending sideways. I think we're going to have some volatility between 75 and probably between 86, and that's probably what's going to happen out there. Same for XRP. XRP is tightly range bound between 194 support and 209 resistance sideways. Definitely going to be traveling sideways. Dogecoin, pretty much the same thing right now. Dogecoin, Medouge is trading right now at 1567. Our next support is around about 1259, and our overhead resistance is around about 18 cents. We're just going to be going sideways. That's what's going to be happening, guys. Definitely, that's going to be happening. Much wow, guys. As I said, 21 shares. Wow. Have just launched the Dogecoin ETF, so that's positive news. Yeah. 21 shares partners with House of Doge to launch Dogecoin ETP. So let's get it, guys. Very positive. ETF Dogecoin launched, guys. So once again, go hit me up at Blowfin. Link is down there. Looks like based on Mayor multiple, BTC could find solid support around about 69.5 and break above 86. But there's going to be a lot of volatility, guys. That's all I got, guys. Stay blessed. Stay peaceful. And I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to smash like, subscribe. Wait. Peace out.